Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the Remember Me function on the MetaMask application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on settings down below, tap on security and privacy, which is the second option. After that you should scroll down to the turn on Remember Me. Here you can see that when Remember Me is on, anyone with access to your phone can access your MetaMask account. So if you would like to enable this feature, all you have to do is clicking on this button below and then it will be turned on. If you want to turn it off, just come back to this section and click on the same button again. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.